Water quality is a major concern in both households and industry. Contaminated water not only affects our health, but also hampers our daily activities. Traditional methods of water purification are often time-consuming, expensive, and ineffective. Water hardness is considered to be the most common issue, which results in various negative situations. White deposits on sanitary ware or shower cabin walls, limescale buildup on the surfaces of water heating devices, kettles, boilers, heat exchangers, which significantly increases energy costs and potentially causes failure of heating equipment. The decrease in washing quality, which leads to increased consumption of washing powder and detergents. Persistent odor of washing powder on cleaned clothes. A feeling of dry, tight skin and stiff hair. Formation of stones in kidneys, joints, and other health problems. Imagine the frustration of constantly dealing with impure water, whether it's for drinking, cooking, or even basic hygiene. The risks of consuming contaminated water can lead to various health issues, reduce the quality of life, and hinder productivity in offices and industries. Soft water is the solution to many of your problems. Our cutting-edge water filters are the ultimate solution to your water quality concerns. The advanced filtration technology ensures that your water is not only clean, but also soft, providing you with the purest form of H2O for a healthier lifestyle. These filters are designed to efficiently remove hardness salts, giving you the peace of mind and allowing you to enjoy the true essence of clean water. Our filters are suitable for both industrial plants and homes, providing clean and safe drinking water, as well as improving its overall quality used in various applications. With easy installation and low maintenance requirements, these filters fit easily into any environment. Here are two incredibly compact, quality, and functional softener units from Happy Owner and Stylishly. Perfect for a home, apartment, cafe, or a boiler room. Don't compromise your health or the quality of your life. Invest in our state-of-the-art water filters today and experience the transformative power of clean water in your everyday life.